kids! I'm Bella, your storyteller for tonight. Are you ready for a wild adventure? Once upon a time in the land of Giggleton lived an elephant named Edgar. But Edgar was not like any ordinary elephant. Whenever he sneezed, something magical happened. One sneeze could turn a raging river into lemonade, and another could paint the sky with rainbow stripes. Edgar's sneezes brought joy and wonder wherever he went. But there was a problem. Edgar had a terrible case of the sniffles. His trunk was constantly tickled, and sneezes erupted at the most unexpected times. The animals of Giggleton loved Edgar, but they were tired of their tails getting tangled and feathers flying everywhere. One day, Edgar's dear friend Ruby the rabbit came up with a brilliant plan. She handmade a special trunk cozy to keep Edgar's trunk warm and snug, hoping it would help calm the sneezes. And guess what? It worked. Edgar's sneezes became 100 times gentler. From that day forward, Edgar and Ruby traveled the world, using their unique talents to spread laughter and happiness. And the sneezing elephant became a legend, reminding everyone that even the oddest quirks can bring magic to the world.